Hi, welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Honor 50 Lite device. So first open the Google Chrome and go to 2ip.io website. Thanks to this website we can see how websites see our location. So in my case it's Poland, Krakow and it's true. But now go to Play Store and find here TurboVPN application. Install it. And open. Click Agree and Continue. Click on the cross on the left top corner and cool. Here we can click on globe on the right top corner and here we can choose country to connect to. For example, I want to connect to Canada, to Toronto, or you can click on the caret on your TurboVPN home screen. Click OK, wait a while and you will be connected to the fastest and nearest server. So it's a good way to see blocked website. So now go to 2ip.io and reload this page. And as you can see, we are in Germany, in Frankfurt now. So it's working. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.